Since we've been here, it's been a nice first time. My first experience as a whole is being experienced in a national tournament. First practice was this morning. We started around 11 o'clock. It was nice to get there and get through it quick. Last night we had fun as a team, got together, went to the swimming pool, played cards and all that type of stuff. It's been nice.
Well, we got here Sunday about 11 a.m. We've had a day to get acclimated to the surroundings. Exciting time for them yesterday. It snowed about 1.5 inches. We had a workout this morning at local area high school. Workout went pretty well. The girls are adjusting to morning practice and morning workouts in preparation for playing at a 10:40 a.m. Game. It's Eastern time zone, so it's a little adjustment there, but they, all in all, I thought had a pretty spirited practice. Our opponent is Wiley College out of Marshall, Texas. They come in with a very impressive record. I've got to see them on film, and we've started working on ways to attack them and also the ways that they will attack us. We work on our press offense a lot in the last couple of days, a little bit more specifically with our passing game, making sure that we are in attack mode and not passive with the ball. They're a very quick team. They get up and down the floor very fast. So we worked on that as well, getting back on defense, transition. So the practice that we've had leading up to today's practice have been geared towards Wiley, and we'll continue that with the next 2 days' practices in preparation for the game.